Hi guys, so you won't believe what I made this beautiful watch and bracelet display thing from. So anyway, let's get started. So all you need is a Ferrero Rocher box, an empty one, which shouldn't be hard, and a pool noodle. So first thing I did was I just marked the length of the box along the pool noodle, and I cut 2 pieces, which is all you'll need, and it fits perfectly in there. Next, I'm going to cover the pool noodles with this beautiful adhesive backed velvet paper that I found on Amazon. I'll put the link below, and just go ahead and cover that. So I found if you keep it long, when you go to pushing the tabs in on the ends, it gives a really nice finish. So yeah, just go ahead and do that with both pool noodles. And you can use anything. You can use any fabric. You can even use paper if you like. I find fabric works better with this though. And using this velvet, it just makes it feel perfect for what it's being used for. Because I think this is what they use for velvet, for jewelry case lining. So the next thing I want to do is just cover the outside. Now you don't have to do this because I think it actually looks pretty cool. Just in the Perspex container like that. And then imagine if you used a lighter color fabric or paper as well to cover the pool noodles. It will definitely go with that Perspex box, but I'm choosing to cover the whole thing. So just go ahead and measure what you need. And I've just done that for all 4 corners. And I've made it a little bit wider for the top and bottom, just so it can fold underneath. And I think that just gives a cleaner finish. And that top ledge that you can see on the box, I'm leaving that, and I'm going to cover it later on with this gold trim. It really is as simple as that. We're basically finished once we add the trim. Now, if you're giving this as a gift, you can go ahead and also cover the bottom with some more of the velvet. This is just for my personal use, so no one is seen underneath the box. So I'm leaving it like that. You can also cover the inside as well. Like I said, if you're giving it as a gift, it'll just be a nicer finish, but I'm not going to waste the paper when nobody's going to see that. So now I'm just adding the gold trim, and I'm just going all along that top edge. Just be careful not to use too much glue. The last thing you want is to have, glue seeping through and ruining that lovely velvet. And that's it, guys. How easy, cheap, and quick was that? Let me know if you're going to try this out. Comment below. And please like and subscribe if you like my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.